This is Concard, the supersonic legend that once outrun the sun itself. On June 30, 1973, the iconic jet became a flying observatory, racing faster than Earth's rotation to chase a total solar eclipse across Africa. While observers on the ground experienced only minutes of darkness, Concard's crew witnessed the moon's shadow for an incredible 74 minutes. Cruising at Mach 2.05 and 17 kilometers above Earth, the aircraft captured rare data and unforgettable images, turning a brief celestial event into a groundbreaking scientific mission. This wasn't just a flight, it was humanity pushing beyond limits, where aviation met astronomy and the sky became a laboratory.